I gave him like 3 different options in case the first one didn't.
This thing down without dropping it on my machine or wrecking the fence line.
So there's a couple of sassafras branches that I want to see if I can get Joe to catch with his excavator. They're hanging over. Because I think I could make a hanging light out of a couple of these. So let's see once just how carefully he can get them. Alright, I gave him like 3 different options in case the first one didn't work. And this is right on our property line. Otherwise, we'd go from the other side. Okay, well, they're all down. Those sassafras are usually hollow in the middle, even when they're alive. Alright, well, I guess I can take it from here, Joe. Look at all those vines all twisted up in there. He freed it. And it's even got bonus vines.
So this next one, it's kind of an eyesore hanging over, and there's all kinds of vines and stuff, dead stuff hanging off of it.
Well, just about next to it is another sassafras right on the corner, and it's pretty ugly. In the summer it never really covers up because it's dead. It's just got a bunch of vines on it. And it's not honeysuckle, it's gosh, I can't think of the name now. They have the orange flowers on them. They're really pretty.
I tried to get it from here, but it was a little too steep. I didn't want to flip the machine backwards, so after I tried it from this angle, I went around the bend on the driveway and came in at it from the other side because there was a little bit more of a shelf on the top of the ditch where I can be a little more stable. So we'll kind of slide ahead to that part. So there are multiple objectives with this particular tree that I want to achieve. First, I tried pushing it. Pushing it is usually better than pulling it because one of the things I don't want to do is I don't want to pull it and have it like land on my cab and bust a window or mess up the machine, or even worse. Secondly, there's a barbed wire fence here that I want to keep intact. So it's very tactical, kind of maneuvering this dead tree and the bazillion vines that are attached to it. So that's why I'm kind of being tactically careful on trying to get this thing down without dropping it on my machine or wrecking the fence line.
These are all walnut trees growing around it, so I have no doubt that now that this opens up some light, there'll be some more popping right in there.
Be good for the tilt bucket right here.
So I'm back up here where he cut this sassafras for me. And before I do any cutting, I try to figure out what it's gonna look like. And he was able to salvage all 3 of those, so now I have 3 choices, which sometimes that makes it harder. I mean, I definitely like all those organic curves there. Decisions.